Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a time-lapse over on Instagram. So I'm going to get straight to the point. There's actually no way to create a time-lapse within the Instagram app. Luckily, what you can simply do is go to the camera app over on your normal iPhone or Android, and then go to the left a bit till you find basically all of these options and just scroll till you find time-lapse. What you can then do is start your time lapse by clicking on that red button and then just wait till you have basically captured what you wanted to time lapse. Once you're done with that, what you can simply do is head over to Instagram again. Then you can click on the plus icon and you can just select the time lapse you just created from your camera gallery. So this is the time lapse I literally just created as a test. And what I can then do is click on next, just like this. What I can then do is click on next again. And basically right now I just posted, or I am going to post, a time lapse over on Instagram without actually using the built-in time-lapse function on Instagram, because there is no function for that basically. However, we can just do that within the camera app. And yeah, that's still an easy way in order to basically just get a time-lapse over on Instagram. So yeah, if you learned something in this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.